Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to get this insane Grindr premium. So this is the paid membership. So as you can see, go to the profile and we can buy the premium for free. So as you can see, XTRA it's called. I'm going to activate it because I have developer mode, and this is going to be a video on how to get that. So as you can see, it says premium features unlocked, all the stuff. So let's go. So go to matrixmods.com. All right, let me just type it in right here. This is a really awesome website because there's tons of modded apps. So type Grindr, and then as you can see, this is the mod. So press download, and then the last step is the verification. So all we have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions 100% for free from official app store, and then we'll get it. So I'm gonna wait for this to load here, as you can see. So let's just see what happens. So yeah, it's loading up right now. It says almost there. So we just have to download like 2 of these apps. You don't have to do all of them, but like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. I could do this scanner app. You guys search something up. So just make sure you download 2 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go. It's very important that you don't just download the app. You also have to read the instructions on it. So if you do that, you should be good to go. Also, if you press help, you can watch a video. So that's pretty cool. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, be sure to try it out. So that's how I get free Microsoft points. Free Grindr Premium. So as you can see, 600 plus profiles, no banner ads, see who viewed you, unlimited blocks, explore mode, filter by relationship, only people who have pictures, no third-party ads. So there's lots of features that are going to be not in the normal Grindr app. So yeah, there's lots of apps to do. So if one of them is totally like lame to you, you can just do a different one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. Totally works, guys. Free Grindr Premium today. I can't express with words how good it is.